Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a quick backup or system image so you can undo mistakes. Next, verify compatibility. Determine if your motherboard supports NVMe or only SATA. Once done, power down and install the SSD. Mount it, attach the SATA cable and power, or insert the M.2 into its slot and secure the screw. Then power on and enter BIOS to confirm the new drive appears. This initial check saves time later and prevents wasted cloning attempts. You now choose the path. Cloning preserves your setup while a clean install gives a tidy, faster system. If cloning, launch a reliable tool, select source disk and the SSD as target, ensure partition alignment and copy the EFI or recovery partitions. Wait for verification. If installing fresh, make a bootable USB, boot into installer, choose the SSD and remove old partitions so the installer creates optimal layouts. Either way, make sure the target is GPT with an EFI system partition. You finish by making the SSD the primary boot device in UEFI and disabling legacy modes if you used UEFI. This ensures the firmware boots the right drive. Then enable OSI, install the latest NVMe or SATA drivers, and enable trim in the OS for long-term speed. Once booting reliably, run a quick alignment and performance check, and if everything is good, wipe or repurpose the old drive. If the system won't boot, recheck boot order, reconnect cables, or revert to the backup image you made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.